Yeah, sure, bafethu ba re mene ba re kota tsa mene ya ba re dumelang kaofela. I go by the name of The Cure, ntwana ye-SOS Music, and ngiphethe i-out yami. Yeah, Mr. Quiet and humble guy, Master Lee.
Oh yeah, danko bafethu nani niyazi ke umfana estrada ke lo SOS Music bafethu ke vandag sizonibekela nje udabonyana eningalazi mangabe ufuna ukwazi thulumamele.
Yeah. It's a long story. It's a history behind it, bafethu. Yeah, iphuma kude kakhulu, yeah. And the duo was formed by the chemistry and the energy of both of us, Linda and Siyabonga. Yeah, so we came together with the knowledge of music. We came together with the love of music. We came together with the love of deep house. We came together with the love of street music. We're in the street actually, so the formation and the combination of SOS Music begins there. There's a lot of it. You can explain a lot. So yeah, I can say much. And the name real SOS Music came by the combination of the love of deep house, jazz music, the energy of jazz music, live music, Wakanga blues. We're everywhere. You see, so the name SOS Music, we can break it down for those who don't understand SOS Music, the meaning of it. It's sounds of soul music.
Ama-challenges bafethu abhayi eniwafisayo as independent artist yabo thina si-independent bafethu asikaze sasayine unless sizisayine thina awuyebo yabo so kuyenzeka mfethu ukuthi ama-challenges uyawafisa coming ukuthi amele like wenza umusic from ukuyenza umusic ungapheleli lapho kumele uphume uyothola ama-vocalist and kumele umake sure ukuthi wena self uyenza i-follow up la kuma-vocalist ukuthi ubani ozoza ubani engekeze abanye banama-appointment kuwukuthi bese sebaconfirmile nawe so iba yilawo ma-challenges nokukhipha umusic wakho dinga i-finance ayikho so kokunye kwamele uvayo uyosipana ideleyise via isipane like i-reality bafethu mari kuko konke i-spirit yiko esikhipha izinto ukuthi sinyakaze that's why sisaselana vandag. Yabo leyo nto leyo rephrase from egameni lethu vele as i-SOS Music hence bekasashilo kyo ukuthi it stands for Sounds of Soul Music so already igama ngokwalo selisibhekele foundation ukuthi like dog thina sidila ngomusic okhuluma nenhliziyo hayi namadlebe nomoya hayi nenyama yabo so umehluko uba la itouch yethu yayiwuza ukuthi inale ya feel le ye jazz yangithola yayiwuza ukuthi inale ya feel nyana yediyo nanoma sizokushayela isigubhu or private or akhadi yangithola iba nayo le touch le ezothi nele SOS bekhona yangithola izwakala net nje kanjalo into edefine ke isound yethu negama lethu yeah. Akhona bona maningi but then for manje nje ngizo-highlighted i-one from the top of the head yabo it was the time is-20 gig mfethu eKurumane yeah like esicala ukuphuma nathi eprovinsini sikhishwa isipani sethu yayibona leyo nto like leyo nto le hlezi kuyinto like nanoma sithi siphela ispirit with a dog le milestone le bengese reach if besingasipani yangithola so into esikhipha silibele siya vele simthanda yeah.
I can say the first project was Dane Motion. Yeah, Dane Motion. The first project was Dane Motion. Then the second project was music saves our day. Yeah, it was the part of everything that was happening during the day. The music, ukuphuma, ukuthola the sounds, yabo. So that's why the ama projects awabiza the day. So womamele those projects vele talks about what we were doing during the days of making those two projects. Then samuva sayaku mina yakho vita manje sibuya kude hey hey maningo na manje yeah then kuba isibuya kude yeah then kwaba party ya strata ne
no
kuba yini
kube
it sounds of soul it sounds of soul it sounds of soul music volume 1 and 2 correctly then kwaba party ya strata. Yeah, those are the studio projects. That's why NC there. Then what about yeah, Sabane the last one. Yeah, well last year now. What you bring Super 16? You're the favorite. Ashuguti. I Patia Strata. Yeah, I Patia Strata. Because I very too emotionally. There's two sides of the touch. Yeah, well, the senses, your music, lapaya, it's Bacardi and soulful music. So there, I think ila pescade corner send a message to abantu to understand what we are bringing into the industry. Yeah, but understand this good. We're not in the soul food party pela. We in the Bacardi. If you wanna work, you can come. Uzo Shai Soulful Private School Piano. You can come Futi Uzo Shaya Bacardi. Yabo, as it goes and it goes and it goes and it grows. Dokada Isbuya Gute featuring Kitty and Swami Tricks. And then Uza Umtano Muntu. Yeah, the second one then was only the beginning, the instrumental together from Patia Strata. Yeah, only the beginning. Yeah, those are my 3 favorite songs.
Viva Pieti. Isiningi lesibandisi mara sasesiningi esisazuza biye. So for me my favorites from ukyo lama projects I mentioned firstly, it is very Sibuya Kude. Hey guys, Sibuya Kude. Like in emotion, in our memories, like in a day by. That's why we top number one. Yeah, but then it landed there's this song with a project today, Sounds of Soul Music Volume 2. I see why. Oof, boy. Angithola. Leyo number 2 yami ke. And then my number 3 man is Yalwa, cause there's this song egu Patia Strata as I mentioned. Then kunale egu Super 16. Hey. Shayisana ngamakhanda ngazi ubani osaqala la. Angithola. But then kuko konke bafethu uyabona it's like Shaya, only the beginning. I'm a guitar, dog. I'll see the ass dog. So it has to be number 3. Thank you.
So inkulumo nodali, the song that was recorded, I think Nomkichimi was there. I think maybe it came before Studio Saralimeke. Studio Saralimeke at Deep Groove. I think Gabo Babak. Yeah, it came by Mfonela Ulimeke Atakyo. Bafwetu Nkonekas. Yabon. I'm willing Gucci Guspanweni. Yabona anything. Staff is corner popo. Yabon. So ngachina aish. Yabona ke manje. Okay, I'll just bonus it. Then we collected a lot of projects maningi ama-track but inkulumo nodali isafika ke laphayana kubo yabona then ngayidlala what I cure mfana ngikhumbuza ukuthi imnandi ke ushale track leli kwenzakalani yabona ngathi make fit hayi anything mfit nami ngicabangile ukuthi okay this one can fit you yabona so limeko ayenzana dayazana let me jump into yona yabona ayi washaya laphayana ke umngani wethu ke na shaying into lapha angazi ukuthi ukubambelela ya so lapha yabona bayaqeda ukushaya namagita avela ahleli lapha ayaconfirm but ayabona kididi so ulimeka yabona leli mfethu ngicabanga ukulinika amagita kusimnandi yabona liphume ngathi mina anything mfethu yabona because ulithandile alishawa I think that time I record ama-track abo my 3 or 4 then alithandile yile inkulumo nodali yabona inkulumo nodali so walishaya I think it was 2021 lapho then walishaya then azange saliqeda project laphelela ukuthi okay kusashoda amanye ama-voice nani you know umculo yenzeka kanjani ya then after lapho buya ne-project khona lana SOS Music Headquarter then we said no Master Lee okay salimamela yabo salimamela track yabo siyalivuma it had different vibes la track leya different vibes yabona then umaster wakhala wathi kyo kunama voice ashodayo yabona ngathi okay ucabanga ukuthi senze kanjani wathi no okay ayazini how about ukuthi ulimeka abuya azoshaya mfike ngathi okay awuthi simzama but at that time it was where sekahambile ikasilake asekaphumile sekayenza into yakhe umfowethu yabona ukuthi simthole it was hard ngathi okay yazini kunenye out man ayibiza uKing Jazz yabona I think angafeature ashaye something naye yabona bayenze because naye unayi soulful touch King Jazz shout out to King Jazz on the track inkulumo nodali made it happen yeah so abiza uKing Jazz naye ke uyabona manje uyasho ukuthi bafethu ningifeaturisa nolimeke enhle kuniyenzani ningilwisa ne-industry kwenzakalani uyabona so uJesse ashaya laphayana wangena wathi thwa bembona umakoti yabona then it blended ne-chorus yaka King Jazz iverse laka Limeke intro kaLimeke the whole part of the song yabona then okay we set in sathi mfethu okay kodwa yabona uJesse sathi sengicedile okay we were start the name yabathi sayidiscuss ukuthi okay igama sizothini legama leli yabona then uKing Jazz sathi inkulumo nodali yabona because nanoma cala uLimeke usho ukuthi usemathandweni ukhuluma ukuthi okay unganaka abantu uboxolela abanye abantu yabona understand ukubekezela ethandweni understand then uyasho uKing Jazz ukuthi sizoshadela esontweni nomuntu wami understand sindize sigibeli amfuka indiza leyo yabona suthi yabo beba communicate I feel like beba same spirit naye yabona so ingoma yahlangana from lapho yafomeka yabona bese ifomeka ke ikhempa ukuthi okay inkulumo nodali sesihlangene then it changed from ama vocal awakhipha to i-original track I understand anti manje ingoma iyenzwe nini iyenzwe 2021 2022 ine touch ya sound sathi yazini okay how about si change yabona soulful party those melodies chords and elements yabona then si drive to scoop yabona senzani manje sifake isigija phakathi which is scoop ilento libe kayisho ukuthi we can tap in we soulful part then say change ingoma siyise to iBakhali or to isigija you understand then it became a movement in a chorus ka JS then that's when the track became catchy and became new to the faces of the industry that's when we decided okay it's time we drop inkulumo nodali SOS Music times Sabza featuring Lime Crazy Sizwe Guitar lo 911 on the track asiyenzeni bafethu thank you yeah
bafethu ayikabi ngicela nje ukugeda i-disclaimer yazi mangizwa le track leli after Lime Crazy aceda ukurecorda I couldn't like understand i-track ukuthi bekakhuluma ngani, si-resonate nani yabo, like bekungakayenzi sense at that point because bekuneverse kuphela yangithola, then ufake imininyana dayiding pre-hook laphaya and that's it yabo. So like besilost isikhathi eside until kuze kufika uJS. Ama kufika uJS bafethi i-track lavele lacaca mfethu, lavele lacaca ukuthi kusebheka la ngikhuluma nodali wami mfethu yabo, hence kuyinkulumo nodali sharp. Okay, what's next for SOS Music bafethu? Mina ngasho ukuthi bekani ukuthi sizodropa more music this year, futhi this year since ngathi freedom ikhona yokuthi kunyakazeke yabo. So music uzolenda and we are looking forward as well ukuthi sifeature abanye abantu. So nawe if ucwaya same sound ozwayo ukuthi singacwayisana bafethu, you can pull through or usixwaye lapho kuma socials bafethu, hayi ukuthi singama superstar ne. Siyawa check ama socials wethu bafethu abasiraneli thina yangithola. So yeah, you can look in ukuthi mfethu sizolenda ama projects apha. For now ngeke ngikwazi ukwanema because sisase under construction and what not, but then music uzolenda definitely see a chance. Oh yazi i-collaboration esifunayo kuko konke dog ejunayo yangithola MFR Souls dog. Khohla, that's the first one dog, like mabangababeka bonke la bonke, but okay chance naba sebakhona pick and choose ke ezikhali asidonse MFR ecala etafuleni ba enjani.
The word of the day, I should do not give up bafethu. Keep inspired by your sound. Be motivated. Trust your sound. Do yourself, be yourself. Thank you. Okay, you can find SOS Music. Go Facebook, it's real. SOS Music with no dots, it's real. SOS Music at the end with a Q. Then on Instagram, it's SOS Music _SA. Then on TikTok, it's SOS Music @06. Then on our email, you can email us for collaborations, contact, bookings, sosmusic64@gmail.com. Yeah. Thank you.